The last time I go to YouTube and then I saw the Starship news. So I pop up with the question, why don't I build my own rocket? And after that, I'm trying to search for the way to make a homemade rocket. And then I know that we have to make a hole over the bottle cover to make a rocket engine. And I also make a nose cone for our rocket to fly better. And our rockets also need the launch system to launch our rocket. Okay, so now our rocket is ready to launch. Our rocket is on the launch pad. We are T minus 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
So after that, I start learning from my mistake. So I'm creating another launch pad. So whenever I click the button, the rocket will launch properly. And now the pad is clear and our rocket is ready to launch. And now it's time to install our rocket fuel and put it over the launch pad. So we're preparing to launch. We're now on the launch pad, waiting to leave. At 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch! What? Whoa! 3, 2, 1, launch! Seems like it didn't cause any damage to our rocket, so we can do a second launch. But our launch pad is damaged. This is all for today's video and thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell so I can make a bigger rocket video.